Let's go ahead and get started. Find a comfortable seat. Your knees should be right over your ankles, your feet facing forward. You're sitting up nice and tall in your chair. Inhale, let's reach our arms up high into the air. Make two tight fists, and then we're going to roll our wrist in one direction. Very good. And then roll your wrist in the other direction. Inhale, stretch your arms back up high. So imagine that you're reaching for the ceiling yet pushing your feet through the floor. A lot of length in the body here. Take another deep breath in through your nose. Open your mouth, breathe out, bring your hands halfway down. Inhale, open your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands back together. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, big exhale. Hands to your knees. Again, let's do that. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, halfway down. Inhale, open up. Exhale, back to center. Inhale up. Exhale. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale, halfway down. Inhale, open up. Exhale, back to center. Inhale up. Big exhale. Very good. Touch your shoulders. Touch your ears. Bring your hands to the side of your body. Let your breath move your body here. Inhale, lift your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, rotate and roll them onto your back. 2, inhale, lift your shoulders up. Exhale, rotate and roll. Last time, inhale, lift up. Exhale, rotate and roll. Very good. Next circle is neck, strapping your chin to your chest. Let the back of your neck be long. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, right ear over to your right shoulder. Take a deep inhale, lift your head back on top of your head. Exhale, left ear, left shoulder. Deep inhale here. Exhale, take your chin back to your chest. Take a deep inhale, lift your head back on top of your neck. Very good. Touch your hands to your thighs, look to your feet. Coming to stand in mountain pose. Lift your right leg up, put it down. Left leg up, put it down. Touch your shoulders. Touch your ears, bring your hands to your side of your body. Using your breath again to move your body. Inhale, lift your shoulders up. Exhale, rotate and roll your shoulders onto your back. Very nice. Moving into triangle pose next, move to a side of your chair. Standing next to the chair, make sure that you can touch the back of the chair and then open up your feet about legs distance apart. Take the foot that's closest to the chair and turn it towards it. Reach the arm closest to the chair to touch the back of the chair. As you inhale, reach the opposite arm up to the sky, looking towards the thumb. Connect back to your breath. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Again, deep breath in, deep breath out. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Turn the foot back in. Your choice. You can simply turn your body around and do the pose on the other side, or you can walk to the other side of your chair. Again, hand touches the chair, step the feet out. Turning the foot closest to the chair towards it. Inhale, reach the back arm up towards the sky. Again, breathe. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Inhale, you're going to come up. Exhale, bring the hands down, turn the foot in, and step back to mountain next to your chair. Tree pose is next. Tree pose is a great pose for focus and balance. Placing your hand onto the chair, your outside leg is like a kickstand. So bending the knee, hand to the hip on the outside hip. You are going to turn the foot to the inside of the leg. Using your eyes to help you focus, your breath to help you balance. Slow and steady, reach your outside arm up. Slow and steady, reach your inside arm up. If this feels wobbly, keep your hand down. Connect back to your breath. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Very good. Inside arm down, outside arm down. Step back to mountain. Same thing on this side. You can simply turn yourself around, or you can walk to the other side of your chair. Hand to the chair, outside leg like a kickstand. Looking down towards your feet, bring the foot to the inside of your leg. Outside arm reaches. Use your eyes to focus, your breath to balance. Inside arm reaches. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Bring the inside arm down, outside arm down. and step back to mountain. Very good. Walking back to the front of your chair, come back to that comfortable seat, knees over the ankles, sitting up tall in your body. Bring your hands to the ends of your knees. Rainbow breath is next. Breathing in, draw your shoulder blades together, take your gaze up towards the ceiling. Exhale, round your spine the opposite way, chin to chest. Again, breathe in, draw your shoulder blades together, making that shape of the rainbow with your spine. Exhale and round your spine. Very good. Coming back to a nice tall body, drop your hands to the side, and we'll come to completion with sunshine arms, ocean breath. Bring your hands down to the side of your body. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Big audible exhale. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.